What's up, everybody? Good morning. Just wanted to get on here today and kind of talk about real estate as a whole as we go into the new year, 2021. Obviously, 2020, we saw prices go through the roof in real estate. We saw financial markets going insane after the pandemic. Just a lot of crazy activity, especially in real estate. Record low supply of homes on the market for sale, record low interest rates. And so we have a ton of people moving here every day as well, over 300 people moving to Arizona. So all three of those factors combined, you have a crazy effect with prices going through the moon. So going into 2021, we don't see really anything changing with that. We're still expecting prices to go through the roof. A lot of this is really trickling down from our federal government and the monetary policy that they have enacted. They've been doing this, what's called quantitative easing, for a while, pretty much ever since we've had that bad crash back in '08, which is, where they basically buy a bunch of financial assets and they inject a bunch of money into the economy to try to keep it afloat and not keep the market from crashing. And so back in March of 2020, when the pandemic started, they enacted a policy actually called QE Infiniti, where they can pretty much print as much money as possible as needed to keep the economy afloat and keep people going, throughout their day-to-day lives. So since March, according to Bloomberg, they actually have printed and injected into the economy $5.6 trillion. Okay, so that's kind of why we've seen the real estate prices going insane, financial markets going insane, because they're basically, creating this money out of thin air, and the value of the dollar is just plummeting. And so obviously on the other side of that, real estate and other financial assets are going to continue to appreciate. And so going into 2021, they've already rolled out plans to print another $3.3 trillion. Okay, so that's going to continue to keep the dollar on the downside, and that's going to make real estate continue to go up along with other financial assets. So going into 2021, very optimistic about the prices. I think they're going to continue to appreciate at a pretty outstanding rate as long as they continue this QE Infiniti and this stimulus plan of injecting as much money as possible into the economy. So if you guys are thinking about buying real estate this year, or you're even considering getting into it, feel free to reach out. I'd love to answer any questions that you might have regarding the market. Take care, guys.